Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Hidayati binti Marizal. Today I want to present about the introduction of Tesla company. Tesla Incorporated founded in 2003 by Martin and Mark company. Tesla has revolutionized the automotive and energy industry with its mission to accelerate the world transition to sustainable energy under the Elon Musk leadership. Tesla innovated the electric vehicles like the Model S and Model 3 alongside energy solutions like Powerwall have set industry standard. Next, I will present about the risk management governance. First is operational risk. It's a diversified supply and invest in in-house manufacturing to reduce dependency and manage supply chain disruption. Second is financial risk. It's manage currency fluctuation and market volatility through hedging and maintaining strong cash reserve. Third is regulatory risk. It's monitor compliance across jurisdiction to address environmental, safety, and threat regulation. Fourth is a cybersecurity risk. It's implement robust defenses and over-the-air update to protect system and user data. And the last one is reputational risk. Focus on customer satisfaction, quality, and transparency to safeguard and the brand. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Continue the presentations about Tesla Risk Management Framework ISO 31000. So we have 8 points here, which is recognition of risk, rating of risk, ranking against risk criteria, responding to resourcing controls, reaction planning, reporting on risk, reviewing and monitoring. The next one is Tesla risk architecture. So we have 6 points here, which is governance structure, risk management commit, 3 departmental risk managers, operational risk management, risk reporting and communication, 6 continuous monitoring and reviewing.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Nurul Nadira. Next, I will present about risk protocol Tesla. In risk protocol Tesla, we have a risk reporter flowchart and a risk register. First, I will explain about risk reporter flowchart. The first step in the risk reporter flowchart is the risk identification. At this stage, Tesla need to identify all the risks that may affect the company operation and objective. Alright, the second step is the risk assessment, which involves assessing the two main elements of likelihood and impact. The third step is the management action that needs to be taken. This management action include various steps that can be taken to reduce. Alright, the first step is ensuring an effective risk management system. Tesla need to constantly monitor market technology and operational. Okay, the last step is that a risk report must be prepared and communicated to the relevant parties. Alright, to ensure that all stakeholders understand. Alright, next I will explain about risk register. The risk ID is the first element of the risk register that serves to provide a unique identification marker for each identified risk. The second very important element because it provides an in-depth description of the nature, source, and potential impact of a risk. Alright, likelihood and impact are two key elements that are very important in risk assessment. Both help determine how much attention and action should be taken against the risk. Alright, next risk management action refer to the steps that need to be taken to reduce the likelihood or impact of a risk. These actions are very important to ensure that risk can be addressed effectively. Alright, next, risk owner is an individual or party responsible for monitoring and addressing a specific risk. Each risk needs to have a clear owner who is responsible. Alright, last, risk status indicate the current level of the risk, whether it's being monitored, has been addressed, or still require further action. Thank you.
Based on the risk heat map, green is for low risk, yellow is for moderate risk, and the red is for high risk. And in the summary, there are only one risk shown in green color, which is R010. There are a total of 3 risk descriptions shown in the high impact and high likelihood, which is R001, R004, and R005. And then it also have 2 risks shown in the red colors, which is R002, high in likelihood but medium in impact, and R008, only high in impact with a medium likelihood. but these two of risks involved in medium size. All of these risk category in red color means that need to take more attention and action to manage or mitigate three of these risks.
Good afternoon. I will be present the risk response. Let's look at the element we identified during this study and addressing the key risks. So the main element we identified have battery technology failures. It can by improving battery durability through R&D and conducting regular safety tests. Then the second is supply chain disruptions. Tesla can diversify their suppliers to reduce dependency and increase the inventory handle the short-term disruptions. Then the third is decrease in market demands. Tesla can conduct the market research to understand consumer trends and expand its product offering to cater to the broader audience. Then the fourth is fluctuation in raw material price. It can by negotiate a long-term fixed price contract with supplier, research alternative material to reduce diversity. Then the last is cybersecurity branch. You need to proactively update their software and providing employee training to strengthen their cybersecurity awareness.
Hi, I'm Michelle. So at the end, Tesla did a very good job in their risk management because for their risk governance, which led by the board and audit committee, address operational, financial, regulatory, and also the cybersecurity risk. They also got a framework which is the ISO 31000, and their structure which involve a chief risk officer and which is a risk management committee and their departmental manager that enable the teams oversee the risk identification, mitigation, and provide a real-time reporting to align with their strategy goals. And for the protocol, which got a 5 steps, which the first one is to identify their risk by going through the audits and market analysis. And the second step is assess the risk by the likelihood and impact. And the third is they implement the actions such as mitigation and also the transfer the risk. And after that, they report the risk to the stakeholder, and at the end, they monitor regularly for updates and the effectiveness. So they categorize the risk into the strategy, operational, financial, and more, which is prioritizing the high impact issues like their battery failures and cybersecurity on the heat map. So after the end, they will give a response to the risk, which is the action plan such as the R&D investment and supplier diversification to reduce the impact. So the Tesla show the proactive risk management, their collaboration across the departments and integrating the risk strategy in order to reduce all the risk. And that's for me. Thank you.